Hello everyone. Today's lesson is learning how to speak Mandarin and write citrus fruit in Chinese. Let's get started. Citrus fruits. 柑橘类水果. The first word is 柑 means mandarin. 柑. The second word is 橘 means tangerine. 橘 橘 Citrus 柑橘 Group or category. The mandarin, it belongs to a group, and tangerine, it's a category under mandarin. So 类 Fruits 水果 First word is 水 meaning water. The second word is 果 means fruit. 果 So fruits called 水果 kind of like water fruit. 水果 Okay, let's repeat again. Citrus fruits 柑橘类水果 Limes 酸橙 The first word is 酸 means sour. 酸 means sour. 橙 The second word is 橙 means orange. So lime is sour orange. 酸橙 Orange 橙子 First word is 橙 Orange. Okay, first word is 橙 Orange. 橙 Second word is 紫 There are many meanings. 紫 meaning sun, but in here it's just a noun suffix. 橙子 it's a noun suffix. 橙子 orange. Lemons 柠檬 The first word is 柠 The second word is 萌 There's no like individual meaning of this. Like it's just like English translation. Lemon, and they put 柠檬 as directly translate from lemon. Kumquat 金桔 The first word is 金 that means golden. 金 The second word is 橘 orange. 橘 So 金桔 means golden orange. 金桔 Pomelo 柚子 The first word is 柚 means represents some kind of a big orange. The type of a big orange is called 柚 紫 there's no meaning in here. It's just like a noun surface. 柚子 pomelo. Grapefruit 葡萄柚 or 西柚. The first word 葡 and second word 桃 葡萄 means grapes. 葡萄 means grapes. The third word is 柚. It's a big orange. 柚. And another way, it's also, it can say 西柚. 西 means Western. 柚 big orange. So Western big orange. So grapefruit can call 葡萄柚 and also can call 西柚. Clementine 小柑橘. First word 小 means small. Second word is 柑 means Mandarin. 柑. The third word is 橘. 橘. It's the tangerine. Actually, it's a category of the Mandarin. Mandarin is a group word, so it's 柑橘. It's a small orange. 小柑橘. Clementine. 小柑橘. Tangelo. 橘柚. Tangelo, it's a hybrid of the tangerine and grapefruit. So that's why it's called 橘柚. 橘, the first word 橘, it's meaning orange. 橘. And 柚 means a bigger size of orange. 柚. Since Tangelo, it's a hybrid of the tangerine and grapefruit. That's why it's called 橘柚. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.